day, Merlin and Hurricane were sitting in the yard. Hurricane was getting his steel lifted out. The crane was getting ready to take it and put it on a ship. "Hey, Hurricane, have you heard the news?" "What news?" "There's a new engine." "Are you serious?" "Oh, I was just kidding you." Isn't that just funny, tricking your friends? Wait, what's that? What? Invisibility on. What? He's gone? Merlin, get back here. And Hurricane was off at her old scrapyard, just taking a good look around to remember the memories of Theo and Merlin and her when she stayed there. Then she heard a rumble. Whoa, I better check it out. And Lexi raced off. She edged on, bit by bit, and suddenly, help! Help! She whistled and rung her bell, but nobody answered. Then she heard a whistle. "I'm coming for you, Lexi!" All his might and pulled Lexi back onto the tracks. "Thank you, Hurricane." But then, oh no, Lexi, move! Lexi's wheels clattered, and she ran forward, and so did her.